Okay, so what I want to show you here is that we do have the Alshay AI Easy Bake installed here on this tablet. So you can see it right here. Currently I do not have an icon for it. I have one I'm making for it. So we tap on that and then we get, you can see this tablet's not connected to anything. So you get the V1 Forge, you get your configuration. I almost tapped on that. And here you can set the batch rate or the batch size, and I would probably set that to 1. That's what I've been doing because it's a little more active. Otherwise, you're going to wait a bit because it's training on your CPU. But you can change the size. This creates a 44 million parameter model here on the device. And once you also get the selection of Pascal or standard. And down here we have the inference toolbox. So when your AI is ready, you'll be able to chat with your AI. And down here we have the interactive dojo. So when your AI is ready, you can actually give it corrective training as well. So here you can see if I click on Forge AI. Oh, this one's going to take a minute. I didn't reset it. Shoot. This will take a minute because the 32 batch size is pretty large. So it takes about, I think, per iteration on the CPU with this large data set that it has like 25,000 or 250,000 pieces. Should take about 30 seconds to a minute or so here for the first. Dun, dun, dun. Man. I waited a bit for this first one last time I did this too. It's like, oh man. There we go. See, it took about a minute, and the speed is so low it doesn't even show up in iterations a second. But it is doing 1 of 30 epochs, and that will update. If you set this batch size to 1, it'll go a lot quicker. Well, at least it'll look like it's going a lot quicker.